Today we're going to learn how to take plastic spoons and transform them into different types of metal spoons. Trying to make something that looks kind of medieval. And when you purchase a product like this, there's always a spoon that they always give you with the product. So today I wanted to create this spoon, this plastic spoon, transform it into a new type of spoon. What I'm using today is an Amos brand children's air drying clay. You can use any color you want because you're going to coat the stem and then you're going to paint over it. So let's open this clay. I love the way that this product is. Amos products, I love them because they come with a resealable package and you can just zip this closed and reuse it over and over again. So when your children are tired of using the clay, you can just reseal it like this. It stays forever. I'm using today this soft brand white here, and we are going to coat the stem of this spoon. Now I want something that's kind of medieval, so when I looked up on the internet medieval spoons, there's always kind of ironwork that goes on, twisted ironwork. So I'm going to use my clay now to coat the handle of the spoon first. That's my first priority, is to coat the handle. I want to completely engulf the handle in the clay, and with your fingers you can move the clay around. This is awesome clay. It's just soft and very voluptuous. You can do anything you want with this stuff, and it's stiff enough that you can create different types of prototypes. So once you coat the whole entire spoon handle, you create that new type of coating. You can do other things like this. You can make a hook on the end of it, and I left a lump in there so it looks like it's forged. I did another one like this, or I went absolutely crazy and then added my wrap around there. And this one's going to look really cool because it's going to have the bronzing or the pewter look to this. Now that you've got your spoons ready, I'm going to show you how to make a pewter finish. We're going to be using a silver argent, and we're going to be using a flat black here. These are both acrylic paints, and we're going to mix that together in two parts. Let's put out our silver first. That's the most important. Any silver acrylic paint will do, and I'm there. I've got enough. I got to get some more of that. So, and then we are going to use just a very tiny amount of black. And we're going to mix the silver and the black together to make pewter. If you check out my other tutorial videos, I show you how to create all of the metal finishes, how to make bronze, how to do a silver finish with patina. And we are just going to work in right there. Look at that. There it is. We're going to mix this very, come a little bit closer here so you can see this. Mixing of the two colors together to make pewter. Now, if it's not enough, you just mix right into the silver. Always go from your darkest into your lightest. There it is. Look at that. Okay. Let's put that on there. Dang. It's already taken form. Look at that. Pewter finish. Black and silver together. Make sure you coat every piece of the clay after it's been dried. This clay has been dried for 24 hours. So I have at least 24 hours worth of hardness here. Do not put paint on soft or moist clay. You will have a lot of problems. It will crack. It won't dry properly. That. We're going to finish the whole entire spoon. So what I'm going to do is, let me finish the spoon and I'll show you what it looks like. Check it out, the finalized product. Now a little bit about this is that when you're painting the handle, You can also use a hair dryer on warm, not hot, and blow dry the handle, let the paint dry, and then work on the spoon. It's more easier this way because if you put this down, it's going to stick to something. So that's a good tip to know. Secondly, also think about this, creating a whole entire set of flatware that looks medieval. Quite an interesting prop. Hi, and welcome back. I'm going to use another spoon today that I had here, and I'm going to change it to bronze. Now, I've been asked many times, how do you create bronze? Well, it's a mixture of two colors. Bronze, this cork that I had made, I actually put on the bronze finish on it. It actually looks like it's really heavy, but in fact, it's not. It is just two colors that you put together. You're going to need today a rich gold in acrylic, and you're going to need a flat black. I'm using shield number 660 and acrylic alpha number 997. So we're going to use this, again, 75% gold. That's a rich gold. Now the difference between a flat gold and a rich gold is the rich gold has that sparkle to it. Flat gold is very dull looking. And then we're going to use 1 part black. We're going to work the black into the gold. Always work your light into your dark. And you will start to notice that the color starts appearing. There it is. Look at that. I'll turn this around so you can see that better. There's the color of bronze. Mixing that very, very thoroughly. And afterwards, you can put a patina finish on your props. Okay, so I'm going to start. Look at that. I like that I had worked the feel of clay roughly so it has that forged look to it. Anytime you have straight edges and other materials, it looks very 21st century. And we want to avoid that in all cases. So if you're working with a feel of clay, you want those lumps and bumps and imperfections. That's what makes props look kind of just authentic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this spoon off completely and then show you what it looks like. And there it is. There's the finished product, a completely bronzed spoon.